we will review the ultimate weapon of precision manufacturing, the star machine tool that will make a stunning appearance at the CIMT 2025 Beijing International Machine Tool Exhibition EU5 800 5-Axis Machining Center. We are honored to invite Mr. Wang Ye to introduce this 5-Axis machine tool to us.
Hello everyone, I'm Wang Ye, EU5 800 5-Axis Machining Center. X-axis stroke 800mm, Y-axis stroke 1100mm, Z-axis stroke 600mm, C-axis rotation 360 degrees, squaring A-axis plus minus 120 degree, table size diameter 800mm, maximum workpiece rotation diameter 1000mm.